In this video, you're going to learn how you can withdraw the balance that you have on TikTok. We are going to pre-live on TikTok application, and I'm lower the volume for don't interrupt us. Here, press your pre-live and go to the three lines, settings and privacy, and we can see the balance. This balance, we can see the coins and that we have. To change, we are going to select the word say get coins, and here we can withdraw the money that we have in our account. It is quite simple. Sorry, my internet is doesn't great, but here you can withdraw the money. And it's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.